Hello, and welcome to Top 10 Features of Pathwave ADS 2021. In this video series, we are looking at all the cool features which ADS 2021 has brought out. This is the third video where we will look at LVL, or what we call as layout versus layout. LVL is a graphical comparison of tool layout, and you can highlight the differences of this comparison in the layout window. Underneath, the comparison is based on Boolean XOR operation. You could run this check for all the layers in your design, or you can selectively select one layer at a time and do some testing. You could run the tool interactively from the layout window, or you can use a batch job using the command interfaces so that you can run multiple designs or hundreds of design in a single command. So let's go to ADS and look at how we can use this tool and how the information is provided. In this workspace, I have a couple of layouts. One is version 1 and another layout is version 2. If you look at those designs here, they both look pretty similar, but it's very difficult to find out errors by just looking visually, right? Because the shapes and things can get really complicated. Now, depending upon which layout would you like to check against a master design, from that design, we can go ahead and launch the tool. Now, in my case, you can see I have version 2 design, which I would like to check against the master design of version 1. So from the version 2 layout, I can go to Tools, Layout versus Layout, and click on Graphical Comparison. Now this is the tool where we will look at the report which gets generated after we perform the check. Under Layers tab, you can pick which layers would you like to do the test. As you can see by default, all the layers have been selected. So I'm going to run this check over a complete design. Now to check it, if we click on Run, the tool runs and it shows there is no error here. And that means both layouts are the same. There's no difference between them. But now to show you how this tool works, let me go and manually induce a slight difference. So if we double click on this transmission line, and let's change this width from 15 micron to 16 micron. So this error we have done deliberately, but however, in your design work, this could happen unknowingly. All right, so now once we are back and we run this test again, you can see it is reporting 4 errors. 2 error on M0 layer and 2 errors on heat layer, which is again on M0. So basically both of them are the same error in this case because I know this design was done using the demo kit, the PDK kit, which comes along with ADS, and we do electrothermal simulation, and which is nothing but the replica of M0 layer. Now, if we expand this error here, we can see two XY coordinates where the tool has caught the exception. Now, if I click on any of these coordinates, and if I have auto zoom selected, it will zoom into that portion where I have the error. And here if you zoom in, you can see it is detecting anomaly in the width of this transmission line on this particular edge. Similarly, if I click on the other coordinate, you see it highlights the other edge because it's basically an XOR comparison with the same coordinate, points. So the effect is shown on the both coordinates, and you can pick both of these coordinates and look at the exact, location where the error is happening. All right, so this was the test done on all the layers. If we want to pick any particular specific layer, I can uncheck all the layers from here, and then we can pick any layer of our choice. Let's say M2. If we want to perform check on M2 layer, we only enable that. And here, let's click on Run. And now you can see the tool is saying M2 layer has everything same between these two versions of the design. Now in the tool, you can see the current design from where I invoke the tool is version 2 and the master design is version 1. But if you have any specific master design which you would like to use as a reference for comparison, you can always click on this browse icon, Go to your workspace or library and pick the reference layout design, and then that will be reflected here. Now, after the check has been performed, if you want to view the report in a document format, you can click on View Report and it brings out a document which can be shared across Teams or with Fabrication or whichever way you would like to use. So it makes it very, very convenient and easy to use tool. Well, that's all you need to know about LVL capability in ADS 2021 release. I hope it will be very useful for your design work and allow you to catch errors, which could be unintentional, to make sure there is no faulty design going out for fabrication. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Look forward to see you in the tutorial number 4, which we will talk about another great feature in ADS 2021. Thanks for watching.